Hi, my name is Jessica and I live on a beautiful island called Jamaica. I love to explore the island, mostly under the water. But today, I stay on land and we will cook by this beautiful river. This is White River in St. Anne and the perfect location for our cooking. This is vegan and raw chef Vita, showing us today how to prepare an Ital soup and a lovely cabbage recipe. Look at this lovely and rich soup, served in a calabash. Here, preparing the lovely cabbage dish. In the Rastafarian belief, it is very important what you are putting in your body. Therefore, their diet is very healthy and is called Ital. It's all natural organic food. In most Ital cooking, not even salt is used. If you are interested to learn more about Ital food, I leave a link in the description.
Morning is early morning and we're out here for another cooking session. I love it right here by the river. By the way, this is an experience you can book and I will leave the link in the description for your own cooking experience where you're gonna buy the fresh ingredients, fresh produce, and then come by the river and have a cooking class. Yes, by Chef Vita. So stay tuned. We're gonna cook up something, another recipe. I'm not sure what it is, but we'll find out shortly. So we're gonna ask Chef Vita what's on the menu today, and then yes, we learn a new recipe and then you can try it at home. Right, so beautiful. Oh, I love to be out in nature. It is so early to beat the crowd. You hear the sound. I stepped into the river for my intro. Good morning. I should actually jump into the river and wake up properly. And we're back with Chef Vita, as I said. So right here, back to the camera and Chef Vita.
Greetings, you don't know it's Vita again. Let's get it. We're here on the riverside where it goes down right. So today we're doing a nice Jamaican breakfast style. So you don't know, we're gonna do a nice steamed cabbage. We're gonna do some cabbage on the side, and to complement that we're gonna get that nice green plantain. Slice of cabbage this side, and then we're gonna add it over here. This meal idea is a very good meal idea for a lot of Jamaicans. You don't know, something quick, something fast. You know, we have some callaloo. You would have do some callaloo, steamed cabbage and callaloo, but today we're just doing steamed cabbage alone. And you don't know, it's gonna be a vibe. The garlic starts to get caramelized, the ginger starts to get caramelized, everything is going off right and nice. And then now we are going to drop in the onions. So I want the onions then get right, you know. So when the onions get right, oh gosh, yeah, so they're getting caramelized, so that's going to drop in the bell peppers, tomato, everything just a sizzle up, boom. Drop in the cabbage, settle it down right there. Yeah. So a lot of people will say, oh, steamed cabbage is a boring thing, but once you know how to add your colors and your flavors, it can't be boring. So we're gonna leave this cabbage for a sweat for it to actually steam down, and then we're gonna combine all of the ingredients from below so it can combine, and then we're gonna add our spices, and voila, steamed cabbage is ready. Quick, fast and easy, yo. Quick, fast and easy. Breakfast on the go. Let's go. So with these pumpkins, you got to cut them very thin because you want the pumpkin to steam down with the cabbage and give it that nice curry look, plus that nice creamy pumpkin flavor that pumpkin gives off. These pumpkins are very, you know, the curry look. They have that nice curry look. And just to add with that, we're gonna just put some carrots and some nice pimento leaves for a little flavor as well. So yeah. So if you have pimento seeds, you can add those. We're gonna add some green pimento seeds, not the dry one. So yeah. So boom, we have our pumpkin, chopped pumpkin and carrots, and the pimento seeds for some nice flavoring. So stay tuned for that.
If you thought cabbage is a boring vegetable, today you're gonna learn different. It's delicious. Yes.
So we're gonna add our pumpkins and our carrots onto the cabbage. Right. And then we're gonna add our pimento seed leaves. Sorry. And then we're gonna add some dreadnought milk to the dish, just for some coconut flavor. And then now we're going to give everything a little stir for some flavor. That is this. Once the thing is already, you just add your seasonings around, like the last lap after everything is cooked. You just spice it up and then get everything right. So we add a little salt, some black peppers, some dehydrated onion powder and garlic. Alright, and then we combine everything. As you can see, look how colorful this cabbage looks. Yeah, and creamy. Top class style of preparing cabbage. This is a cabbage and a boring, people. And a boring thing. Some food that's a no salt to that.
Yeah.
They're there.
This is so good.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah,
guys,
man.
you need to try this at home.
Yeah, man.
Very delicious.
What you mean,
Wow.
people? Creamy, nice, quick and easy. And that's it, people. Boss it there. Style is ready. And then we have weed rastas we call coconut milk, dreadnought milk. So who I wonder who said dreadnought, we call coconut milk, dreadnought milk for clarification. You know, are these nice green plantains in the pot to fry, go on deep fry, and then we smash it out. Fried plantains ready to go.
Ready to dig into this. Right here by the river. Yes, I had breakfast with this beautiful view. Oh my god, this is so cool. I'm glad people are coming in with their music, so we're right on time. Yes, finishing up with this lovely breakfast. Yeah, cannot wait to jump into the river for a swim. Yes, but first, so good, so simple. You definitely should try this cabbage recipe here. Yeah. Very good. Very delicious. With a nice coconut milk and the seasoning. Actually, it doesn't even taste like cabbage. It just tastes very delicious. Definitely try this out. Very good.
Pumpkin cooked down nice. Yeah, man. We find it as usual.
I'm so hungry, people. This is so beautiful, people. That was perfect. Cooling off. Yes. Nice morning. Yeah. So nice river. To try this Ital sip. I'm ready. See guys, nice Ital soup with the fresh coconut. Guys, the fresh coconut makes all the difference. So if you have the possibility to grate up and get your fresh coconut milk, definitely that is it. It's so lovely. Alright, people. Yes, Chef Vita. Yeah, man. Yes, people. Look at this. Delicious. Blessings. People, I love it. Natural food tastes delicious. I'm telling you guys, you don't need all the artificial seasoning. You can cook naturally and it will taste very flavorful if you use all the right ingredients. Yes, here's the proof. Yeah, man. Look at this. Nice. You want some? Have some here. So good.
Wondering how he made this delicious Ital sip? Don't worry, I've got your recipe coming up shortly.
Cook that. I will not even drop no Ital sip.
Yes, no, we never do that.
We never do a Ital sip. So guess what, people? We're gonna do a Ital sip today. Stay tuned. Step by step, may I show you how we do a Ital sip.
Nice.
In other terms, people would say soup, but we will call this one a sip because Rasta we no soup, we no drink soup. Soup that's station. And the next thing too, there's no meat in it, so that's why it's a sip. So yeah, so we're sipping. You know what I mean? So no meat in this one. Stay tuned.
Interesting. All right, catch the style.
Yes, sir. Watch the Ital a bubble in a trouble. Watch the Ital a bubble in a trouble. Catch the Ital a bubble in a bubble in a bubble in a bubble in a.
Yes, people, that's perfect.
Oh, seal.
It's not the soup. It's not the soup. It's just the pot cover. Thanks God, imagine.
Seal.
So after this nice, cool water is very chill. So right here, very nice. So I'm very excited. I'm very hungry, of course, and I cannot wait to dig into this nice sip. Yes, a sip. To try this Ital sip. I'm ready.
No Maggi in this. Come look on the color. Come look on the richness. See that? See that? No Maggi, no Eve, none of that. The straight Ital. You know, Ital man thing. Ital sip. You don't know. Yes, sir.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. That is so cool.
Smells
People.
good, don't?
Yes.
Yeah,
Very good, very good. Coconut milk in there, little turmeric, salt, pepper, and all the goodness. So I cannot wait to try Ital sip. Yes, guys. It's
No
just a
meat,
vibe. No meat, you know, cooking the Ital way. So it's a very, very healthy soup.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's sip.
Sip.
Yeah.
Sip.
Sip.
I love this. This is so beautiful. Right here at White River, the beautiful nature. Hearing the sound of the river, the jungle, the birds. Everything is here.